Okay. Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to do the evaluation for the subjects that you will teach from the next week. I will take from science, math, and especially. So here we just start from the first question, the science homework.
Okay. Forces can be seen easily with our eyes. At first, because forces because forces cannot see by our eyes. And applied force happen when we push or pull an object through because the forces will be happen when we push or pull an object. Gravity pulls object towards the center of the earth. Is it true? Because the gravity pulls the object towards the center of the earth. Object do not fall to the ground because of gravity. It is false because the object will fall because of the gravity. The normal force pushes upward against gravity to support object. Is it true? No, it's false because the forces, the normal forces is like when you want to pushing a gravity. What is realist? Realist is like staying longer in a place. The cookies remain in the jar until snack time. What is the definition of the word? So remain in here is like going freely without hesitation. A ship floats on water despite gravity pulling it downward. Explain the process involved and how they balance each other to keep the ship afloat. So in here, a ship float, it is because two forces that happen in that. There is a gravity and upthrust. Gravity it's make the ship downward, and then the upthrust make the ship it's upward. So it's like the two forces that balance in equal size. Force pushing object upward in water is called upthrust. What is the definition of water resistance? Stop water getting inside. Okay, number one, how does a parachute help a skydiver land safely? Explain the role of air resistance and surface area in slowing down the fall. Okay, in here the parachute of a skydiver take all the air and then increasing the forces of gravity. So that how the people landing safely using the parachute. Okay, compare the forces acting on a person sitting on chair and skydiver falling with a parachute. Why don't they move downward at the same speed? Okay, and here the person that's sitting on a chair only do gravity object, but they have object that hold the body. But in here the parachute, because of the air resistance, the forces are not balanced or not equal, so they have a different speed of the acting on the forces. Okay, explain about balance forces. Balance forces is like when two forces have an equal size, and then there is equal size in opposite direction, and then the balance forces is like two acting on the object with the same size of the forces. What will happen if the forces acting on object are unbalanced? So if that unbalanced, later the things or the object will go to the larger forces. It's like example, the upthrust larger than the gravity. So it means the object will go to the upthrust forces. What are the characteristics of unbalanced forces? So the characteristic of unbalanced forces is like same size or equal size of forces. The second is have same direction or same way.
You talk about unbalanced forces, right?
Yeah.
Unbalanced forces because just now you said that balanced forces have a same amount of forces.
In here, not same equal size. and then different same direction way. So if the balance opposite in here not same, like same direction. After that, if the unbalance more, one of the forces is larger.
One of the forces is bigger than another.
Yeah.
Next we go to math.
Okay, two pencil costs $3. How much is one pencil? So if we have like this, we can do division. So 3 to divide by 3. Okay, in here will be 1 times 2 equal 1. And then because in here there is no friend, or we can put in comma and then put 0 under 5. So will be 10 and the answer will be 1.50. A pencil costs $1.50. A pencil and ruler together cost $4. How much is the ruler? So a pencil cost is $1.50 in here, and then pencil and ruler. So we can just minus $4 minus with $1.50. So it will be 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5, it cannot, so we need to borrow, become 3, which is become 10, and then 5, and then 3 minus 1 become 2, 2.50B. Kate buys 3 eraser and 1 pen for $10. The pen costs twice as much as eraser. Sorry, Kate buys 3 eraser and 1 pen for $10. The pen costs twice. Okay, so is the eraser is mean? Can you show me the answers? Oh yeah. Kate buys 3 eraser and 1 pen. Is it because $3 in here? Sorry, $10.
Let me try to do most first. Okay, so next, I just want to take the one quizzes now. So try to solve question number 3.
Okay, Kate buy 3 erasers. You can use the modifier in here. 3, and then the pen costs twice. So there is a 5 modifier we can use. So there is a 10,000. It means 10,000 divided by 5 is equal to $1. B.
So what is the cost of eraser? Yeah, $2. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Next question.
An apple and banana cost $2.20 together. If the banana costs $1.20, it means need to be minus $2.20 minus 1.20 is equal $1. Okay.
Okay.
2 boxes of color pencil cost 20. How much does one is divided? So it means 10.
10.
Okay, amount of matter in objects called a mass. Represent of the mass of an apple represent, okay, this one. This one, we have 2 apples, 3 bananas, 1.4 kg. But in here, if apple 1.2, what is the mass of each banana? So the first one we need to do this. Apple 2 become 1.2 times 2 equal 0.4. Okay, after that, because we know this is 1.4, just minus 1.4 minus with 0.4 equal 1 kg. After that, we already know, 1 kg, we need to divide by 3 bananas. So 1 divided by 3 bananas, yeah. This is we need to put 0, then become 1, then comma, and then need to be 0 in here, there's a comma. After that, we put 3, 9, 1. And then if we put again comma, it will be 3, 3, 3, and 3. So it means each of banana is 0.3. So if that 0.3, what is the total mass? So in here, we know that 0.4 plus 0.9. Actually, the answer is 1.3. Because in this question, we want to know is it correct or not.
Yeah. Okay, next question.
Okay, the total mass of 4 similar triangle is 1.6. Okay. If the triangle is 0.2, okay, 0.2 times 4 become 0.8. So in here we know that 1.6 minus 0.8 is equal to 0, 60, become 8, and 0.8. Okay, 0.8 we divide again with the star. 0.8, yeah, 0.8 divided by 2, it equals 0.4 each of this star. So both of the star, yeah, 0.8 here equal same.
Okay, next question number 2.
Okay, what is the definition of withdrawal? The definition of withdrawal is like taking something with an activity.
Okay, you just skip this one. We just go to question number 2.
Okay, if you start with 540 candies, you give away 85 and then 200 more. So in here, is it the question about subtraction? So there will be 540 minus with 85 and then minus with 205. Okay, if you minus this all, it can be 250.
Oh, so they just
Minusing.
subtract all of
Yes,
them.
subtraction.
Oke. Selanjutnya pertanyaan matematika.
Oke, jajal genjang mempunyai dua pasang sisi yang sama panjang dan jajal gancing. Rumus keliling jajal jemur keliling jajal genjang adalah C, sisi tambah sisi. Sebuah jajal genjang memiliki panjang sisi 7 dan 5 cm, maka 7 di sini, 5 di sini, 10 ditambah 14 sama dengan 24 cm.
Oke, next. Keempat.
Belah ketupat memiliki 4 sisi sama panjang. Bangun datar yang memiliki rumus keliling 4 dikali sisi itu adalah merupakan rumus dari persegi. Arti dari kata gabungan adalah dua benda yang menjadi satu. Anak-anak mengitari pohon besar. Nah, arti dari kata mengitari ini adalah kegiatan berjalan atau mengelilingi suatu benda yang bergerak. Oke, ini merupakan mencari keliling. Jadi di sini ada trapesium sama kaki. Kanan sisi kedua kakinya sama. Maka di sini 10. Kalau mencari rumus keliling trapesium itu tinggal kita tambahkan seluruh sisinya. Jadi 10 ditambah 18 ditambah 6 ditambah 10. 10 tambah 18 28 tambah tambah 10 38, tambah 6 44.
Oke. Kemudian nomor tulis.
Oke, dan ini membuat sebuah layang-layang. Oke, layang-layang di sini ada 30 cm dan di sini 70. Layang-layang itu juga mempunyai dua pasang sisi yang sejajar. Jika di sini 30, maka di sini 30 dan 70. Lalu rumus dari keliling layang-layang itu adalah sisi tambah sisi tambah sisi tambah sisi. Jadi tinggal kita tambahkan 30 tambah 30 60, 60 tambah 140 sama dengan 200. Jadi jawabannya 200 cm. Oke, bagaimana cara menghitung keliling bangun datar gabungan? Nah, menghitung keliling bangun datar gabungan itu caranya sama seperti cara dari trapesium, jajar benjangnya itu menambahkan seluruh sisi terluar dari bangun datar gabungan.
Oke, ini
merupakan
nomor 10.
Oke, pada contoh soal pada gambar berapakah panjang sisi kaki segitiga? Oke, di sini terdapat segitiga sama kaki. Kita ketahui bahwa segitiga sama kaki memiliki dua kaki yang sama panjang. Jadi jika di sini 10, maka otomatis di sini juga akan menjadi 10.
Okay, yeah, I think this is clear for the homework. Now I just open some books here. Okay, so we will open the mathematical book
One chapter.
until 126.
Okay.
It's a project. No.
It's supposed to be project, sir.
Oh, it's a project. Okay. So, could you explain us what is the mathematical project?
The mathematical project yang akan dikerjakan itu, jadi kami akan setiap siswa akan mencari 3 benda, misalnya bisa dia persegi panjang atau persegi, dan dia menghitung keliling dari buku tersebut. Jadi diukur dulu baru dihitung kelilingnya.
Oh, ya, jadi representasi dari cara mencari keliling
dalam kehidupan sehari-hari.
Okay, so it means I just open the map. This is a new chapter, right? Because yesterday is a project. So for the map, okay, this one, 100. Okay, addition and subtraction. Maybe we just go to the rational terms.
At a bookstore, Crystal spends $20 on 2 boxes of color pencil. Dylan spent $20 on 1 box, 1 school bag and 1 folder. The school bag costs 3 times. Have to find the price of the school bag. Okay, in here, Crystal spent $20 2 boxes. $20 divided by 2 is equal $10. This is the color pencil. And then Dylan spent $50 1 box color, so there will be color pencil plus 1 school bag. Okay, and then 1 folder. Because we already know that the color pencil is $20. Okay. Okay, one school bag, and one folder. But in here, he said that the school bag costs 3 times as much as the folder. So the rest will be $30. Okay. The bag costs 3 times as much as the folder. So there is a whatever 3 times. This is for the bag. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. And then this one with the folder. Okay, and then you can divide 30 divide by 4 because I have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the unknown. 30 divided by 4 is equals 7.5. So 7.5 equal 3. 22.5. So the folder will, the school bag will be 22.5 and the folder will be
7.5, you mean?
Yeah.
No.
And 6.5
There is a mistake here. So here you just take this $50, you subtract the $20, right?
Become 30.
Yeah, that is the mistake part because this $20 is used to buy 2 boxes of colored pencil, right? You got it. So actually it should be minus.
It's supposed to be 10.
10. So later you will get
$40
divided by
4. It means $10, $30 the school bag.
That's why they said in the first bookstore personal spends $20 for 2 boxes of colored. Yeah. Okay, so I think it should be okay for this mathematical net. We have explained the project and the first question here. So maybe we just go to the tutorials. Okay, so we have tutorials here. We start from math.
Mass is amount of the amount of the things or object. And the explanation in spoken is like a measure of the object or things by the scale.
Okay. Withdrawal.
Penarikan. Withdrawal is like taking back something that you put in. The explanation in spoken is like the activity you do when you want to when you can hold or control.
Okay. So I mean the example here is the juice spills when my cup got knocked. What's the relation here? Is it common or is it wrong?
Maybe I just copy with the under the spills.
Oh, I see. Oh, I think you put the wrong example here because in the withdrawal you put the example is the juice spills when my cup got knocked. And the second word is spills, right?
Yeah.
I think you put the wrong example in the wrong song. Okay, next is spills.
Okay, spills is the liquid that falling down from the container. And then explanation is spoken. Spills is like the container not hold tightly, and then the liquid will fall down.
Okay, next we move to science. Water resistance.
Water resistance is stop water getting inside. Explanation is spoken. It's like the things that cannot put water inside.
Crumple.
Crumple it's squeezing and hold tightly. Explanation in spoken is like the things or object that you hold tightly with uneven neck.
Okay, Miss, I think that is all for our information today. Thank you, Miss.